Hi, I'm Dr. Rinku Sengupta, obstetrician and gynecologist working in Sitaram Bhartiya since May 2002. This has been a very interesting and immensely satisfying journey for me. Way back in August 2000, when I finished my senior residency, I was very confused. I was actually quite keen to join an academic job because I was quite interested in academic activities. But this was very difficult to procure. On the other hand, I was very apprehensive about the private sector because I had heard that the value or the worth of a doctor is determined only by the number of patients one sees or the number of surgeries one brings to the hospital. Academics can fly out of the window because the entire focus is on patient hunting. At this critical juncture, I got a break in Sitaram Bhartiya. As far as I remember, our director never once asked me how many patients I would bring to the hospital. On the contrary, he asked me how I could contribute to the growth and development of the organization beyond clinical work. I joined this place and gradually my clinical work slowly and steadily increased. Around this time, we inaugurated the Mother and Child program, which added a unique flavor to the existing obstetric care. We held antenatal pregnancy workshops to empower our mothers, and we started working on departmental protocols to make our care more structured and uniform for all our caregivers. Slowly and gradually, I started participating in clinical audits, and then I got involved in my second love, that is research. We did a city-wide survey across Delhi to understand the quality of maternity care and the physician practices in the Delhi hospitals. We found that the care practices are sometimes substantially short of evidence-based national and international guidelines. Meanwhile, our endeavor to improve care at our own level continued, at our own department. We joined the perinatal improvement community and we attended some IHI conferences. IHI, as you know, is an internationally accepted organization striving for clinical excellence. I met some remarkable people who had done great things for their own department. My exposure to St. Mary's Hospital, Manchester helped me to understand and apply certain aspects of maternal care like 1:1 labor support in my own department. With sustained and concerted efforts of the director and our department, a lot of care indicators of the perinatal department continued to improve. Our cesarean section slowly declined, our induction rates went down, and this is an ongoing and a very challenging journey in which we are all working as a team. This is a place where I have got a perfect balance of ethical clinical work, academic activity and research. This place gives you extra credit for transparency, honesty and ethical practice. This is probably the only place where the management is worried if you don't take an annual break because it doesn't want you to burn out too soon. It believes in you if you have the frame of mind and inclination to understand its philosophy.